Has it happened to you that your engine is shaking as if it wants to jump out of your car, especially when you are at a stop? But the moment you start driving, everything becomes smooth and your engine stop shaking, stop vibration. Most people think this is a serious problem. But what if I told you that it is not as serious as you think? Watch this video to the end and you will see that it is not a big problem. This is the situation. Engine shakes at idle but smooth when you accelerate. If that is a problem, don't worry, I'm going to tell you the answer or solution to it. Your engine has not damaged. This is what happened. At idle, engine run at low RPM. It has less power and it is very sensitive to imbalance. But while you are driving, your engine possesses high RPM and the momentum is very smooth and everything is okay. So the problem is usually something affecting low speed stability. So what could be the problem? I'm going to tell you 4 things that could be the cause of that. Your number 1 is engine mount. You have to check your engine mount. You know that it is engine mount that puts your engine in place. So when you look as if your engine is vibrating, especially when you are at idle or is shaking, go and check your engine mount. Why? Because when you are at idle, your engine is at low RPM. So there is a lot of vibration. But when you are on speed, you may not feel that again. So go and check your engine mount. How can you test that? It is very simple. This is what you need to do. You put your car in drive, then you put your leg on the brake. If you do that, if you notice that your engine want to pull as if you want to pull out of your car, that is to tell you that your engine mount is bad. This is the second thing you need to check. Dirty throttle body. When your throttle body is bad, it's going to affect the airflow to the engine, and when your airflow is not stable, it's going to cause your engine to be shaking. So but when you accelerate, this is what happens. There's a lot of more air into the engine and the problem will disappear. But at idle, there is not sufficient air and that causes the engine to be shaking. So how do you solve the problem? It's not hard. Clean the throttle body, use a proper cleaner, and the problem is gone. And number 3 I'm going to mention is faulty spark plug. At idle, your engine needs perfect combustion. If one plug is bad, it's going to cause misfiring, and by the time you have misfiring, that causes your engine to be shaking. But at high speed, engine compensates and feels smooth again because you are on high speed. The problem will not show. How will you know if it is caused by spark plug? You notice rough idle, slight excitation, and poor fuel economy. What should you do? Check the bad plug and replace it, or you just replace all the old plug. I will give you another one which make it number 4, vacuum leak. Most people ignore this, but if there is vacuum leak, less extra air is into the engine, and that will now mess up with airflow ratio, and that's going to cause problem for your engine. So go and check these 4 things that I mentioned, and you are going to see that you're going to solve the problem of your engine shaking at idle but run smoothly when you are accelerating. Hope you love this video. Don't forget to follow me. If you don't follow me now, you may not see me again.